few cracks coming up this wall. We only noticed them the other day when Clint was putting the PowerPoints locations in. So he's at work today, and I'm here to surprise him by going ahead and getting this done for him. So wish me luck. Now we let that dry as is, then we come back in and we fill it again. I've made the incisions to where the hairline fractures were. Now I'm just going to go ahead and chisel these ones out.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. Dara and I just got straight into it. See Dara down there doing the window. Starting to paint that up. I've just gone back and sanded this back. I'm going to have to go over it with another layer of plaster. It's a little bit rough around where the concrete is coming through. We'll chuck another layer on there. We've been on the phone to the electrician. He can't get out until Friday, so we're going to have to wait till then. Then we'll get that fan control and the light switch disconnected so we can actually start working on around the doorways. We've got a different design of light switch going in, and we're removing the fan switch completely for the new fan that's going to be going in. And hopefully when he's here we might be able to get him to hook up all the PowerPoints as well at the same time if he's not too busy. But for now, I'm going to go ahead, chuck some more plaster on this wall, get back into it. Dara's gone around and patched all the little bits and pieces that we noticed while we were sanding back the big plaster areas. So we just go around and sort them out while Dara's going ahead and she's cleaned the paint off the door frame. She's just asked if we can go ahead and take the door off, so we're going to stop doing the plaster for a few minutes and just take this door off for her, make it easier for her. Alright guys, so we're going to call it a wrap for this video. We've got a fair bit done, managed to get all the plaster jobs done, got everything sorted out. We should be able to chuck some paint on in the next video. Should be sweet. Start seeing one of the rooms come together. Super excited. So don't forget, we are on Facebook, StayTrue Tv. We're also on Instagram if you want an inside scoop before YouTube. Always chucking videos and pictures up. Don't forget, like, subscribe, stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.